Hi Capricorns, and welcome to your love reading for the month of July with the Divine Enchantress. So please keep in mind that this is a general reading, so may or may not resonate with all of you. So please take it however that it resonates. Alright Capricorn, this is your love reading for the month of July, and let's see what messages comes forth. So this is you are lovable, you deserve love, beautiful, and we have passion. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. Let's see into the details of your reading. You can Capricorn also find me on Instagram or Facebook, the Divine Enchantress, or my website for any of your personalized consultations or session needs. Also, I will really appreciate if the reading resonates with you. You can, you know, really like, subscribe, and share the love from the channel. So let's see Capricorn in details. What do we have? All right. So Capricorn, beautiful, beautiful. This is, you could be dealing with another earth sign. For some of you, it could be another earth sign just like you, that is a Virgo, Taurus, or a Capricorn. Or it could be just anyone in general, Capricorn. But I feel that you are entering the month of July based on a lot of financial stability. Alright Capricorn, I feel that there is so much financial stability that is on your mind, or just you were maybe insecure about the stability of or grounding when it comes to even relationships, Capricorn. But there could be a chance for commitment, there could be an offer, because we have the Ace of Pentacles, Capricorn, and you deserve love and passion. So this person, this particular special person, could have something more to offer. If you're a cross watcher, this could be the energy of your special Capricorn, because there's so much passion that finally the as you can see this in this card of passion, this person is an angel and she is a normal human, but the passion between them, the spark between them overcomes the difference, and that is what could be expected for you, Capricorn. We have on for you. So Capricorn, you should know that there is no space for feeling insecure this month, because you deserve love. All right, we have a rune stone for you out here today, and that is for you to feel protected and secure. Because Capricorn, if you've been worrying about your feelings not being reciprocated, or or it being just an unrequited crush or an affair, then you must know that this person feels so much passion about you. All right, and at the beginning you could feel that this person is being just sympathetic towards you or your cause, or they just feel bad about you because of your feelings, or whatever that it is. But no, just know it that this person strongly feels about you. They are very balanced and they know what they want from you, Capricorn. And in the month of July, there could be an offer to to take this to take this ahead, to have some more stability. And there could be a romantic offer based on passion, and this passion could lead to a new beginning. And just like the way you want to have a future, you want to have stability, that is what, Capricorn, you may have an opportunity, touch wood, in the month of July. You could actually just understand that, or otherwise you could be feeling sympathetic towards someone. You could have not seen someone the way that you should have. And you know that when you get to know this person even more, when you understand that you deserve quality love, you deserve stability, you do not deserve, Capricorn, to be insecure, or to be unsure about where this leads. But when you accept this, that you deserve this kind of love, that is when it walks in. It gives you the feeling of being secure. It just makes you feel so perfect, and in the right place at the right time. And like nothing is going wrong. It's all going according to the control, divine timing and plan. So there is going to be a stable offer for you. This person could want a commitment from a relationship, a serious dating affair, or a marriage engagement. But there is definitely, Capricorn, in the month of July, for some of you, I feel that you would be really pleased to know that this passion is leading somewhere perfect. So this is so beautiful, Capricorns, and I'm so happy to read this, to have this reading for you, because just understand that you deserve love, understand the quality of expectations you have from yourself and the next person that walks into your life. Also, for those who are already in a relationship, then there is going to be stability. Maybe your partner is going to support you, even when it comes to finances as well as with work. There is going, I see a balance out here. And your partners could actually understand your ambition or understand your need, or your insecurity when it comes to certain things. So I feel that the month of July for Capricorn is going to be very peaceful. And there is, the you will overcome this. You'll feel more warm, you'll feel more protected, you'll know finally, the destination, or the path, that you are walking. So this is so beautiful, Capricorn. Touch wood, I hope this happens to you all. And if this does, let me know in the comments by the end of the month. I will really appreciate it. And also, please to like, subscribe if you like the content of the channel, because each week, as I said, Monday Indian Standard Time, I go live for the channel for your health, wealth and hearts reading. And if you subscribe to the channel, you will get to be in touch with all that we do. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, Capricorn. I hope your passion is, sparking up your life, your romance and love this month of July 2020. I hope you all have a very safe and beautiful month. Thank you so much for watching, and have a very safe, blessed month. See you all very soon, and stay in touch. Bye bye. Take care.